Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. So here we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 13 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the Chrome. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically, in order to check some further details, you can use two different ways. So the first one requires entering the graph, so tapping inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in specific days of the week. You can compare them. You can also change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. Moreover, here if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, you can set the app limits. So for example, in the Chrome, as you can see, it will not really work for the apps which are the system apps. So let's tap on this hourglass icon, and as you can see now, you can set the app limit. So it's totally up to you. For example, 4 hours and 30 minutes, it's totally up to you, and confirm it with OK. And the timer will be applied. And the second way of checking some further details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the Chrome, Play Store settings or whatever. Let me just choose the settings, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We can change the screen time again, and from daily to hourly. What is more, again, if you'll decide that you're spending too much time on the screen, you can use some ways to disconnect, which are listed here. App limits, so the option which I've already shown you. But we've got also the bedtime mode or the focus mode, or the screen time reminders. So for example, the focus mode. Here we can select distracting apps. So I believe, for example, social media apps or anything, or games or whatever. So you can just mark the apps and then set a schedule. So you can choose the specific days of the week, you can choose the start and the end time, and after tapping on set, your device will basically limit the notifications from those specific apps, so you will be able to focus on work or time with family or rest, whatever. I highly recommend to check those options. They are really, really useful, especially nowadays. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.